How to use frames in Figma. There's a certain distinction between a group and a frame, and I'm going to show you this now. So if I group this side here by right-clicking and pressing on group selection, as you can see, I can move around everything with the content and resize it, reshape it, and it will keep everything inside here. But if I turn this into a frame by again going to right click and this time frame selection, this is now different because now if I drag out the frame like this, it will not change the size of the images inside unless I wanted to and use a specific command. So if I just do that, it will change the frame size, and if you have clip content enabled here on the right hand side, it will clip everything that's outside the frame like this. This is useful for like both are useful but for different applications, but generally speaking it's better to use frames because they can do pretty much everything that the groups can, but they contain a lot more logic in the way that things are laid out. And you can also use other useful things like auto layout with them. You can arrange them in different ways, and you can also create layout grids, which is very useful. So that's how you use frames in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.